In this video, I'm going to show you how to non-index a page in WordPress. So, on your WordPress website or dashboard, you should have a post on your draft. So, on the left side, you'll see there the post and then select all posts, and you will see here your published website and the draft's website. So select any draft website you want to publish. Now in this case, I'm going to choose this. Now click the edit and wait till it load up, and this is the page I want to know index a page. So before that, by the way, you'll have to have a plugin called the YSEO, Yoast SEO. So you'll find it to the plugins and then click the WordPress icon and you'll be redirected to the WordPress main site, and you'll see here the plugin. Select that and then you'll see here the Yoast SEO Premium. Click on that, but in order to activate it, you'll need to purchase the plugins, and that's it. So assumingly we bought this or purchased these plugins, go to your post. On the draft post you want to know index a page, go back to the site. Although I can't show you how to use the Yoast SEO Premium, but I'm going to guide you all. Just listen carefully. So when you scroll down on the page you want to know index, you'll see there a SEO analysis. So under that, you'll see there the advanced settings. So click the advanced and you'll see there the allow search engines to show the content in search result. That then make it no. Also with the should search engines follow links on this content, just select the no. And that's it. That will no index a page in WordPress. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.